Hi, this is Pete.
And this is Beffy.
And Pete and I are here in this beautiful garden setting for a little garden party to celebrate our September 2021 Gin of the Month box. This is Otterbeck's Cotton Garden Gin. Pete, can you tell us a bit about this one?
So this is a special edition just for club members here. It's got a really fresh core, there's some mint, there's some thyme, there's some rosemary in there. Then it's all balanced out with a little bit of citrus too.
It smells like an English garden.
And even better, it has an amazing bottle to go along with it too, which everyone should love when it arrives.
This might be one of my most favorite bottles. I will definitely be upcycling this one. So these are Navas Garden Tonics.
So we have a distillery up in Yorkshire, but these guys are down in Cornwall and they actually use some fresh Cornish water in there, which makes it absolutely incredible and goes perfectly with the gin too.
Shall I have a taste?
Go on, have a taste.
Ooh, it's very fresh.
Ment's perfectly balanced with the gin itself, so you've got lots of garden flavours in there, autumnal, brilliant.
All right, let's see what else is in the box. This looks like a garnish for our perfect G&T alongside our Navas Garden Tonics.
So in here we've got some lemon, we've got some coriander as well.
We have Heart's Ease Farm sparkling British raspberry lemonade to go in our English garden cocktail. And of course we have some Secret Garden cocktail syrup as well. I'm not going to sip the syrup, but let's give it a little smell. I bet it's, ooh, slightly herby, this one. This is Nexpa Strawberry Peach Kefir. This has live sparkling cultures in it, Pete.
Go on, have a taste, Beffy. I'm intrigued, but I know you're going to enjoy it even more than me.
Ooh, it's very sweet and delicious. I think this is perhaps the cutest bottle we've ever included in a Gin of the Month box. This is Angostura Aromatic Bitters.
But there is a good reason it's so small. They pack loads of flavour in there, so you don't need a lot in every cocktail you make.
This is Tia Maria's Matcha Cream Liqueur.
Well, this is a new one to me. I've never had matcha before. I love Tia Maria, so I'm excited to see what they've done putting those together.
We also have loads of cocktail suggestions for this Tia Maria Matcha Cream Liqueur. You can also just drink it on its own, and it's delicious. These are Munchkin's Pretzel Crush Honey and Mustard and Onion Pretzels.
It ticks so many boxes for me in one bag.
Let's have a taste.
That's a good sound in case you can't tell.
All right, Pete, we have Love Corn, and this is cheese and onion flavor.
I mean, that is just the most traditional British flavour you can get. Everyone's grown up enjoying them, and I love love corn.
Honestly, I'm getting both the cheese and the onion, and there's a nice crunch to it. This is Candy Kittens Wild Strawberry. Go for it.
Yes, please. As soon as you've got those out, I can never resist when it comes to Candy Kittens. It's amazing. That's the only word for it.
I can smell them. I'm gonna have to have one too. So good. And what I love about Candy Kittens is that they're all vegan and palm oil free. And of course we have our Ginned magazine in the box.
And there's so much to read this month. The Otterbeck Distillery and team behind it. They've had such a journey to get here, so you can find out all about that.
And there are loads of cocktail recipes in here as well. Now, speaking of cocktails, I fancy a G&T.
Well, Beffy, you might just be in luck here. It's for you.
Thank you. Cheers, Pete.
Cheers.